loopback, any loopback, let's say loopback 619. Yes guys, I'm a Rey Mysterio fan. IP address, oh not, we're going to use 6666. Now, this is a loopback, right? We can draw something also. We can create a small box to make it look more beautiful. This is a loopback, click it here, click it here. Okay, now I think this much is enough. Let's go to the CLI, go to R1 and put some IP addresses. Okay, not this one. This is our IP address on this interface. Let's do a no shut here so that our interface can be up. Wait for the log messages. Now it is done. Let's change the host name and let's call this guy Ninja. Why not? Okay, now when you are done with all the configuration on R1, you will just put the write command. Okay, not write command, you will just type WRITE. Okay, why? Because this command is used to save your running configuration into your startup configuration. Okay, so you have to use this write command, and there's another command which do the same job, which is copy running config to startup config. You can do whatever you like. Write seems easy because you also have a shortcut for the write command. Either you can do the write command or you can do, let me just write it for you. You can do the write command or you can do the WR command or you can do copy run start, whatever you feel like it. I know most of you guys going to use this one. Now let's go to R2, do the same thing, put the IP addresses, whatever config you want to do, whether it be your routing protocol, HSRP, netting, whatever you like. IP address 12.1.1, subnet mask, a new shutdown, exiting out of the interface and creating a loopback which is 619. IP address. See guys, you are going to do networking, right? So why you want to do it in a boring way? Why make some loopback 123? Why not 619? Why not make it transparent? Why not make it live? Okay, now you know. You can create a very amazing live wallpaper. So why have this boring one? Go to R2, IP address for the loopback I was giving before I distracted myself. No shut. Now, why no shut? Right? Old habit of mine. You never need to do the no shut for the loopback. And if you do, no worries, it is already up. Why it is already up? Because it is a virtual loopback interface. Exit. Now show IP interface brief. We have a physical interface, we have a loopback interface, 619, everything is set up. And let's do the config t and let's change the host name to Samurai. Why not? Ninja and Samurai, they never were this peaceful. Now again write command and save the configuration. We have a Ninja, we have a Samurai, IP addresses, loopbacks, topology, done. Close the CLI. Yes, and stop all the devices. Do not panic guys. I said stop the devices. Why? Because you have saved the configuration using the write command. Okay, we did just write, or you can do copy running to startup. Both will save the configuration. Now guys, you created a blank project. Now just click on file, click on save. That's it. Your project is safe and sound. Click on file, click on quit, because we are done with the gns3. Now we want to close it, take a nap, go watch a movie, have some coffee and come back. And yes, on this step gns3 hangs, it crashes. So no big deal guys, it is a software. Okay, it doesn't matter how many RAM you have, how many fancy processor cores you have, it is a software. Software hangs. So let's again start the gns and let me first show you where all the gns3 projects are saved. Go to my computer, C drive, users, your username and gns3 and projects. Yes, it is a long way down, but you don't need to come here every time to start this. If you click on this project, it will start, but my advice, do not go like this. Why? It is simple. Just start the gns like you always do. Wait for it to start up. cancel, because we don't want to create a new project. This time we want to open an old project. Go to cancel, click on file and click on open, and my first project, click it here and wait for it to load. Okay, don't click here there because it might take some RAM when it boots up. Now guys, our project is here, config is here inside the routers, believe me, and we have all the drawings and artwork here. Right click, start one by one, slow and steady like we always do. Go to R1 and right click on R2. Again, the CPU utilization, always keep an eye on this. After 10-20 seconds, when your routers are up, CLI is there, this value should be less. Okay, this value should be lower. It is done. Right click, console, wait for it to start, and wait for it to start. Oh gosh, we have already started. Right click, console. Now guys, if our config, our project, our task is successful, we are going to see a ninja and samurai here. If you fail, you are going to see R1 and R2. Okay, go to R1 and click here, and we have a ninja, and we also have a samurai. And if you are not agreeing with me, now you should, because we have all the configuration, interface, loopback, everything is there. Now, few students texted me on Facebook that sir, your videos speed, rate of speech is quite fast. Because yes, everybody have different grasping power. Few of my students know stuff, few of my students don't know, and I have also students who are super amazingly knowledgeable. So if some of you might say, okay, my rate of speech and pace is very slow, some of you might say it is very fast. So in my next video I'm going to show you a tutorial to a brand new amazing video player that I've been using for quite some time, and I will tell you how to install that free video player. Okay, how to modify settings of the video player, and in that video player you can very easily uh, change the speed of my video. You can make it slow. Okay, then my rate of speech will be slower, or if it is slow for you, you can also make it faster. Now let's minimize that, let's exit out this virtual machine, and we are done. And now we can play this cute beautiful buddy out there. Now it was a pleasure for me. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Okay, that's way sharing is caring, and keep sharing with your technical geeky friends, and live your life, enjoy your life. See you soon in my next video. Love you all as always. Aman Soni signing out.